Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm going to get this pee stain. Actually it's a coffee stain out of my mattress. This mattress is nice. I paid a lot of money for it. Up one morning, decided to drink coffee in the bed with the small table I have, and waste coffee. So I'm going to show you how to clean the coffee stain out of the mattress. Okay, now that we have poured everything inside of this container, we're gonna put on a spray bottle, twist it all the way. It's all the way. Okay, now we're ready to spray it on. We're just gonna spray it, saturate it. Sometimes it may get clogged, just keep spraying it. I go all around the borders. I saturate it. Get it in there. Got this recipe from my mom. You can see, you can see the colors are actually, it's lifting up. Spray, just keep spraying it. Sometimes it get clogged. You just need to take out the straw and, oh shucks. It's coming. It's lifting up. It's like it's lifting up. I just like to keep spraying. Don't see how it's lifting up? I'm gonna start doing this on my kids' mattress when they pee too. And just to give your mattress like every 6 months to give it a nice smell, especially if you have guests over. My kids are grown now, they're not home. You can see it lifting up. See it? It's all lifting up. Just get it saturated. What you're doing. I'm gonna show you his fans. I paid a lot of money for this mattress and I do not want it to. Now that it's saturated, we're gonna let it sit for a couple of minutes and I'll be right back to show you the result. Came back just to check it. Just wanted to show you how it's dissolving. It's lifting up. See, it's really lifting up. Just want to show you guys how it's really, the stain is going away. Wow. Totally impressed. And that has just been like 3 minutes. So I'm gonna wait till all the way go. I'm gonna give it to maybe like 5 or 10 minutes. See how quickly it dissolve and absorb all the baking soda, peroxide, and peppermint oil, and Dawn detergent. Okay, I'll come back and show you the final results. Okay, here we go. The stains is gone. It's still wet. I see like just a little teeny. Oh, look, if you rub it, it goes away. Amazing. Still kind of wet. So I'm going to let it air dry overnight. Yeah, this looks good. OMG. Well, I'm glad you guys joined me. So if you waste any coffee, tea, and pee from our children, I don't have that problem anymore because my kids are grown now. But now I know that I can do this. I'll pass this along to my friends. So good riddance. Have a nice one. Ciao. Wow, amazing. Awesome.